In this video I'm going to show you how to install a Linux server ready for staking so that it has a GUI interface. Hello, this is John Rawnsley and thank you very much for jumping on this training video today. Before we get started, I'd like to run through the disclaimer. I'm an independent affiliate. I'm not employed by anyone to create this video. As a crypto enthusiast, I have created this video to help people understand certain processes that they may want to undertake. This video is for educational purposes only, and you should validate the information contained in it, as it can change very fast in this space. I hold no responsibility for anyone using the video to enable them to do the process and any subsequent loss as a result or misunderstanding or a process change. I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not able to give you financial advice. So we're going to log into Time for VPS and go to New Orders, Linux VPS, and we're going to select a Linux 2. Don't need a really high-powered one because we're only doing staking on it. So €3.99 a month, and go through and select that purchase and read the terms and conditions and check out. Once you've checked out, it will give you a submit payment at the top. Click on submit payment and put in your credit card details and everything and pay now, and then you'll be all set. If you haven't got a Time for VPS account, go into details and there'll be details there. So now go to services and click on the actual server that you've selected, and then go to install OS. Once there, select the drop down box and you're looking for RDP plus Ubuntu 18.04 64-bit. Select that, and are you sure you want to reinstall the server? Yes. This is quite a long process to go through this, so it took 277 minutes to actually install this. So once you set this installation off, what you need to do is go away, make a cup of tea, watch a movie or something like that, and then come back in 277 minutes. So here we are, flip through 277 minutes, and we're just winding up, and you'll see that the installation is complete. At this point, go on to your login details because you'll need that to connect via RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. Hit the login details. There you'll see the username as root, and you'll see the password and also the IP address. These are the three details you'll need for connecting via Remote Desktop. Once again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you on the next one.